to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more, no more. You don't wanna hear this, but it's you, it's not me. Ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me stay.
Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I'm excited to bring you guys along with me on this day, couple of days actually. I'm doing a kitchen reset. I've not done one of these in a while, and I didn't actually do them, to be honest. Well, you guys know that, but if you're new, you don't know that. So I am bringing you guys along with me as I do a kitchen reset, because everybody in my whole house has been sick, and not just a little bit sick. Dominic and Jackson both has had RSV, and I'm sure you guys are aware of everything that's been going around and going on. It's been on the news with RSV, and the hospitals are being full and all this other good stuff. Well, the babies have finally started feeling better, and Jackson actually missed a couple of days of school because of it. Dominic had a awful fever. We do have a nebulizer because Jackson, where he was born so early and had a few lung issues when we first brought him home, we have a nebulizer from that. So that came in handy, thankfully. And we do stay up to date on his albuterol for that. But because of this whole past week of everybody being sick, it has really took a toll on my home, especially the kitchen. I've done pretty good about being able to keep the living room and everything, all the other rooms, pretty much clean. But the kitchen, it really needs to be reset. And a new week is getting ready to start, and so we're getting ready to try to hit this ground running and at least start it off with maybe not a boom, but maybe a squeak. Who knows? So we're going to start off and get these dishes cleaned up. And like I said, this is over the course of 2 days. So we're going to start out cleaning up the counter, the stovetop, the dishes, the sink, and getting the surfaces wiped off on the table and the little island. And then we're going to move on from there.
I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Catch you on the flip side. Maybe we can be friends when you're not so fragile. When you know yourself well, somewhere down the sweet line. When I do things for me, 'cause I don't wanna be.
Okay, so you all seen how gross the stovetop was, and I'm not pulling out the pink stuff or my barkeeper's friend or anything like that. I am using just good old Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. That's all I'm using on this. I am using two different towels though. This orange towel right here is what I'm getting the final cleaning done on it with. I did get this from Grow Collaborative from the Jeremiah Brent limited edition towel set. I love this towel. I usually use it to dry my dishes with, but ever since I've cleaned my stovetop with it a couple months ago, if it's about time to put it in the wash, I'll use it. Since it really just gets used to dry my dishes, I'll use it to clean the stovetop, and it does an amazing job, especially with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. But once we get finished with that, we're really going to tackle these dishes up, because I mean, you know how it is whenever it's everybody in your home is sick, the dishes seem to just pile up, and you do what you can, when you have the energy to do it. And we had all been pretty much just going on soup and chili for like the whole past week, because nobody was really feeling up to cooking big meals, but we all still needed that sustenance, if you know what I mean. So Anyway, let's get on back to it.
Be a therapy, I wanna be free, so ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me just stay, to stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, 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 la 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 la, la
Okay, so this is my baking mat that I got from Grove Collaborative, and I love this. I have two of them, and I recommend them to anybody and everybody. They are amazing. But this one has got a cut in it, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it or not, but it is from the boys doing a pizza night. They didn't realize that the baking mat was under it, and they sliced right through it. So, no big deal. I'll just replace it. It's about time to be replaced anyway. But yeah, if you could see that cut in it, that's where that came from.
It's time you let me go. Don't call, don't follow, 'cause I'll do it fine on my own. I know, you know, it's time I let you go. Don't call, don't follow, 'cause I'll be gone. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me stay, to stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Get out of my way, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Get out of my way.
Find time, just want the mood to be right. Keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light. It's blurring out my eyes. Oh, we should open up a window. Oh, I can't see clear. Oh, yes, I know how to window, cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. I'm good, giving her compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. I will never get it right. I still have you on my side, staying night after night. mine. Cause it's just my habit, I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits, just my habits, I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. Had my mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. Had my mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
Okay, so as I was saying, this is over the course of 2 days. This is over Friday and Saturday. And this is still Friday right here. And I just got back home from picking the boys up. As you guys can see, my hair's pulled up. It's been feeling like fall here where I live in Kentucky. But it got a little warm on this day. And so I had to pull my hair up off my neck. I started to sweat. And yeah, so it was just a mess by the time we got back home from the boys' school from picking them up. But I do go ahead and finish getting all of this cleaned up at the sink, and I get the dishes put away, and then I start on the tables.
Logical, that's something that you do to me.
So I had intended to include folding laundry in this video, but it didn't make it that far. That is what that laundry is doing there, though. I did manage to get a load of laundry folded, but I did not get to film it. I did not know that my camera was not recording. I thought that I had hit the record button. So, yeah. But I thought, well, whenever I finish getting this here done, getting the rug out from underneath of the kitchen table, because all the rugs needed to be washed. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm taking up all of the rugs. And by the time that I realized it, it was just, I'd already finished folding and putting away that load of laundry. So I thought, well, after I get the rugs took up, I'll do it again. Fold another load and make sure that the camera's recording this time. It didn't happen. It ended up getting too late. And I was tired. And the boys was ready to go to bed, And so by the time that I got them in the bath and in the bed and bedtimes were done and all of that, it was extremely late. And I thought, well, I'll try to include it in the next video. So I'm going to try to include some laundry folding in the next video for you guys. I'm not going to promise anything, but I'm going to try my hardest because I know everybody needs that little bit of a oomph every once in a while, and I know I like to watch laundry being folded to give me that little bit of a push. In my last video, do you guys remember me talking about the broom? This is the new broom, and I almost paid $10 for the Bissell broom, and I thought, no, I'm not going to pay this crazy amount of money when I don't use a broom very much anyway. And I really just use it to get the toys out from underneath of like the couch or my hutch or, you know, under their bed if they are way far back and I can't reach or something. So I thought, you know, I'm not going to spend this crazy amount of money on a broom. I thought I'm just going to grab me a little cheap one. That's what I did. I gave $1 for this broom at Walmart, and I could not be happier with my little $1 broom. It's amazing. I'm happy with it, and it has come in handy, and I've made sure to use it a little more than normal. But the reason I'm using it here is because the boys have been in here playing with Play-Doh after school while I was finishing up at the sink, and there's little chunks of Play-Doh everywhere, and I just don't want to take the chance of that Play-Doh getting up into my vacuum and tearing it up somehow. So that's why I'm sleeping here. And then I am going to go ahead and mop under the table from where I just took that rug up. It doesn't get mopped under there very often when the rug is down, of course, because that would just be too much to take that rug up every time I mop. And I mop every other day or every third day. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and run the mop. This is really the only dirty part of the kitchen. So once we get that done, we're going to get on with it.
Chemical, I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. Hide my mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
Okay, so as you guys know, I don't usually use Clorox bleach or any kind of bleach, no matter what the brand, in my mop water. But I am going to be mopping with bleach in my mop water on this day because I'm trying to sanitize as I go and because I'm only mopping this area and I'm making the boys stay out of the kitchen. Well, I'm not making them, that sounds horrible, but I've asked them to stay out of the kitchen until I get finished mopping. I know that there's not going to be an issue with them running in here until the floor is dry. So, and once I'm finished, I will immediately pour the bleach water out. There's always, you know, that cause for concern whenever there's bleach water around, so I just don't take any chances. I'm also going to be cleaning out the refrigerator in this video, and let me tell you, it's way overdue for that. But I'm going to be using 3 capfuls of bleach in my water in the sink that I use to clean all of the shelves with and stuff in the refrigerator. But like I said, everybody's been sick in my home, and so I'm trying to take every measure to kind of disinfect and sanitize anywhere and everywhere that I can. So everything does get disposed of immediately after use, and the boys are kept far away from everything until it's finished being used. But I'm just doing what I can to make sure that my family gets back to healthy. I'm sure you guys can agree with me on that one.
Apologize
So here we are on the next day, which is Saturday, and I am now just filling up my sink with hot soapy water, and I do have dish liquid, Dawn dish liquid, and like I said, 3 capfuls of bleach. And I'm just going to pull out a clean throwaway disposable sponge, something that's got a little bit of a texture to it, that way that it will pull off any kind of anything that is maybe stuck on the glass of my shelves. And as you guys can see, it looks awful. It looks horrible. Also, my camera quit recording. The battery had went dead and I didn't know it, like almost at the end of cleaning out the refrigerator. So I don't have the very, very end of me putting everything back in the refrigerator. I do have the before and after shot for you guys though. So I did make sure to get that. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's just, there's like milk that is dried in here and kind of flaked everywhere. There's different kinds of, I don't even know what all is just kind of stuck on the glass, and just, it needs to be cleaned. And it's been, I'm going to say it's been almost a month since I cleaned my refrigerator, and I never go that long without cleaning my refrigerator. My refrigerator gets cleaned at least twice a month, and it's been almost a month without being cleaned the first time. So, yeah, way overdue. So just let's get on into it. Okay, so I have to say that although the refrigerator was in such a mess that it was in, I am very proud of myself and my family. I only had to throw away one thing only that got wasted, and that was an avocado. And it was an avocado that I had bought like 2 shopping trips ago, that I had bought for a recipe that I didn't end up getting around to being able to make for one reason or another. But, or actually I think I did make the recipe, but I only needed just 1 avocado and I bought 2 for the recipe. So I think that might have been what it was. But so yeah, I'm totally proud that that was the only thing that actually ended up having to be thrown out that got wasted. So we are doing a lot better than what we used to do on waste in the way of food. I'm very proud of my kids for that. And I'm very proud of myself, to be honest, of staying on top of that. Because if you guys have been here for a while, you all know I hate wasting anything. I just do. So, very happy with that.
It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother. You know it hurts anyway. Don't bother. As long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
So right here, Dominic had just woke from his nap, and I wasn't in there when he woke up, and so he was just a little bit fussy and was looking for Mom, and so I had to pick him up and cuddle him for a second, stop recording, of course, and take him and lay him back down until he got fully awake. He does that every now and then. He'll wake up, not see me or Dad sitting there, and he'll hop up before he's woke up, if that makes any sense at all, and he's a little disoriented. So I took him back in. I cuddled him a little bit and gave him enough time to get himself woke up, and now he's chilled back out and he's in the living room. I think he's playing with his blocks now.
It doesn't matter any longer. I will forgive your flaws if you're forgiving mine. Are you gonna spill the truth, the waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother. You know it hurts anyway. Don't bother. As long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over. Spill it out. Don't you spare any details. Suffer you feel about us. Spill it out. Don't you spare any details. Oh baby, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
Okay, so right here is where the camera died on me. The battery had went dead, and so it didn't show me finishing up. But I did go ahead and throw in the before and the after of the refrigerator, and it looks 100 times better than what it did. Also, we're coming to the end of the video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and most of all, I hope that you guys got the motivation you may have needed to get your kitchen reset to start out your week. I hope it wasn't for the reasons that mine were, but I hope that I gave you the motivation to do so if that's what you needed. And yeah, I think that's got it till next time. Love y'all. Stay safe.
I saw her up on the hill, on her way to the mill, proud and all out. But where are you now? said she would.